Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to fix the no GPS showing approximate location error or noise in 2026. If Waze can find your exact location, these simple steps can help. First, open your phone settings and tap location. Make sure location services are turned on. Then find Waze under your app permissions and allow it to access your location. If your phone has a precise location option, make sure it's enabled. Next, move your phone somewhere with a clearer view of the sky. Buildings, tunnels, parking garage, and other obstructions can weaken your GPS signal. Now, close Waze completely and open it again. If the error is still showing, restart your phone and make sure Waze is updated to the latest version. Also, check that airplane mode is turned off and that your phone's location services are working properly. Once Waze detects an accurate GPS signal, your position should update correctly on the map. And that's how to fix the no GPS showing approximate location error on Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.